Hello and welcome to my another video. In this video, I will discuss about Python operators. Python operators actually is used to perform different types of operations on different variables. There are several types of operators, that is arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. Let's discuss. Uh, these all are arithmetic operators. You can see these all are arithmetic operators. See, I will provide the link of this website into my video description so that you can study more to understand the Python operators. Look, these are Python operators, and this is Python arithmetic operators, and these are Python assignment operators. Look at these assignment operators. Comparison operators, I have described this into my previous video. These comparison operators are basically used in if-else statement. Okay, Python logical operators, and, or, and not. There is one thing to understand in Python logical operators. For AND operators, returns true if both statements are true. If your both statements are true, then you will get the output true in when you are using AND operator. In the OR operators, it returns true if one of the statement is true. If one of your statement is true, then you will get the output is true. And for NOT operator, this is reverse. It returns false if the result is true. Okay, I wish you will read all the operators from this website, and I will give the link from the website. Let's see from coding. These are, I have created some codes according to some operators. These are most used operator. Let's discuss. I have already have discussed in the previous section. This is if b greater than a, then you will get the value true, else the value will be false. Let's see. Yeah, we have got true value because b is greater than a. This is actually this operator, greater than, yeah, comparison operator. Okay, this is comparison operator, and this is also a comparison operator, but this is quite complex. Let me show you the output at first. See, the first output is true, second one is false, and the third one is true. Now a question arises that why the second one is false, first one is true, third one is true. Well, look at these three variables. We have taken three variables, x, y, and z. X is this, y is this, and z is this. You can see in the z variable we have taken same as x, that is z equals x. It means whatever we have declared into x should be assigned into z variable. Okay, that's why we got print x is z. Yeah, true. Really, x is z because we have declared something into x also has been declared into z. That's why x is z. That is true. Yeah, but x is y. This is the part. X is y, and this is false. Why this is false? when Why these are false? When all the elements of these two variables are same, actually uh, the variables are different, but the elements are same. That's why we are getting false result. Although the values of these variables are same, but the variables are different. Okay, x is different from y, but the elements are same. It is not a big deal. The variables are different. That's why we are getting false, because x is not y. X is y is false. X is not y, that is true. That's why we are getting a false statement. Okay, but in the last line, print x equals y, then we are getting true. Yeah, it is true because all the elements are same. That's why we are getting true result. This is the actual comparison. Okay, if this is true, then we are getting true. If this is not true, we are getting false. This is the actual comparison operator, and this is the exponentiation. Exponentiation means this 3 is acting as the power of this 3. Okay, let me change the number. This 3 is actually acting as the power of this 2. And how this is acting as the power of 2? By this 2 star. By this 2 star, this is acting as the power of 2. See the output? 8. Yeah, this is the exponentiation. I hope you have understood what I have wanted to say about operators. See you in the next video. Tada.